Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Toyota Sequoia Limited. This one's black. Under the hood's a 5.7 V8. This one has 20-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. Running boards. A gray interior. Sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got a trailer hitch. Sequoia V8 flex fuel badging. Let's open up the tailgate. We've got all season floor mats, fold down third row seating. Plenty of space in the back here. We've also got some rear climate controls. Heated mirrors. Power windows. JBL sound system, power seats. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start the car up. A rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Heated seats, USB and auxiliary. Automatic transmission. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota, check out feldmannimports.com.